Want to make your English more exciting? Talking about travel is a great way to do that. Today, I'll show you how discussing your traveling experiences can boost your English speaking skills and be a lot of fun. Hello everyone, welcome to Next Level English. Today, let's talk about something we all love, traveling. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an international adventure, traveling gives us amazing experiences and stories to share. Let's kick things off with some travel-related phrases and idioms. First up, hit the road. This means to start a journey or a trip. For example, we can say we packed our bags and hit the road early in the morning. Next, we have off the beaten path. This phrase means going to places that are not well known or frequently visited. We might say we discovered a charming little village off the beaten path. Ever heard the phrase travel light? It means to pack only the essentials. Imagine you're going on a short trip and you say, I always try to travel light to avoid extra baggage fees. Another useful proverb related to traveling is a rolling stone gathers no moss. This means a person who is always moving or changing will not settle down or accumulate responsibilities. For example, you can say, my friend is always traveling for work. He's like a rolling stone that gathers no moss. Lastly, let's talk about the jet lag. The tiredness and confusion people feel after flying long distances across different time zones. You could say, after my flight from New York to Tokyo, I had a terrible jet lag for a few days. So next time when you're planning a trip or reminiscing about your travels, try using these phrases. Remember, discussing your adventures is a fantastic way to practice English and connect with your friends. Keep exploring, keep learning, and join me tomorrow as we uncover another exciting topic. Safe travels. See you tomorrow on Next Level English.